Umphathiswa okwisebe likamongameli elijongene nemicimbi yabasetyhini, ulutsha kunye nabantu abakhubazekileyo uSindisiwe Chikunga umemelela intsebenziswano eqinileyo phakathi kweedyunivesithi zikarhulumente kunye necandelo labucala ukuze kuliswane nokushokoxeka kwemisebenzi kulutsha. Ethetha kumsitho wokuphehlelela inyanga yolutsha eOrlando West ngaphambili namhlanje, uChikunga ukhuthaza amashishini ukuba asebenzisane ngokusondeleyo namaziko karhulumente ukuze kuphuhliswe izakhono ngokuhambelana neemfuno zemarike yabasebenzi. Ukwakhuthaza abantu abaselula ukuba bagxile kwimfundo kwaye baphephe ukusetyenziswa gwenxa kweziyobisi njengenxalenye yokwakha amathuba exesha elizayo.
Wethulwe ngokusemthethweni namuhla umkhankaso wokubungaza iminyaka engama-50 kwasuka izibhelu zeSoweto Uprising ngonyaka we-1976. Kulo mcimbi wokwethulwa kwalomkhankaso, ungqongqoshe wentsha abesifazane kanye nabantu abakhubazekile uSindisiwe Chikunga uthi sekuyisikhathi sokuthi iqiniso ubudlelwano bezinkampani ezizimele kanye nezikhungo zemfundo ephakeme ukuze kuzoliwa nokungasebenzi kwentsha.
Universities and TVET colleges must work with industry in the co-creation of curricula, workplace exposure, and skills planning, so that young people are not trained for an economy that cannot absorb them. We are saying universities cannot continue to teach what they think is right for the industry. The industry must be involved. It's easy. Invite them when you are reviewing the curricula, so that they can say, add one thing, ethics as a subject and an examination subject. You might find that that is enough for the industry to then absorb and employ the young people.
Kanti-ke isikhulu esiphezulu se-NYDA sithi umengameli kufanele ehlonze ukungasebenzi njengenhlekelele ukuze izwe lizothola usizo.
Yesterday, South Africa woke up to a deeply concerning unemployment statistics. Those statistics are not just numbers. Those are young people. Those are young people that wake up every other day to stand in corners because they don't have anything to do. They don't know what they're going to do. They don't know what they're going to eat. Some of the ministers don't even afford data to even look for those particular employment or those particular opportunities. And that's the call that we're making as the young people of this generation. And increasingly so, unemployment is no longer only an economic issue for us as young people in the country. And that is why we're calling the president to pronounce or declare unemployment as a disaster, that then we're going to need serious interventions that are going to be impactful and sustainable to address those particular issues. Because us as young people in this country, Minister, we're tired.
Kulo mcimbi kube sekuxwayiswa nentsha ngendlela ezinikele ngayo kuzidakamizwa kanye namanzi amponjwana. Ezindabeni zeSoweto TV kubika umqondisi Miyeni ngise-Orlando West.